Hello there, welcome, and today we are going to talk about celebrities and influencers who've done a BBL. And without wasting time, let's dive into today's video. At number one, we have got Sayan Boji. She is a South African influencer who has undergone multiple BBL surgeries and discussed her experiences with her followers. She has been very open and vocal about her BBL journey. At number two, we have got Inomuro Longi, an influencer who has also undergone a BBL and body transformation. At number three, we have got Nadia Nakai. She has recently revealed she had a BBL and arm liposuction in South Africa. She also discussed getting a fat transfer to fill her hip dips on her reality show, addressing a misconception about her procedure. At number four, we have got Tebogo Tobejane. She has had a BBL and photos of her results have circulated on social media. At number five, we've got Tulisile Pongolo. She has shown off her results with a post related to her BBL surgery. Tulisile is well known for her acting career on Generation The Legacy. At number six, we have Mpumi Mopatlane, well known as Mrs. Mops, has revealed a BBL journey which was performed by a South African surgeon. At number seven, we have got Simpiwe Ngema, who have given birth not so long, and she has also recently underwent a mommy makeover journey in Turkey. Simpiwe Ngema is also very well known for her acting career on Mobango. With that being said, we have come to the end of today's video, and please do remember to like, comment down below what you think, and also subscribe to the channel. I will see you on my next video.